prayer for life. Ang term ani sa una sa akong district dito is dating with God. Kana bang ikaw ang Ginoo ng istorya kabulang ko away ang istorya. Kisa may nakasulay ng kuya yung bagyo. Nang maging schedule mag-date, di ba? And then sa mag-iayon, ang kita nila kamulang yung duha mag-istorya. And that's what it means sa atong lesson. Jesus Christ, where Jesus Christ did it? In the Garden of Gethsemane. So, pila nag-prayer ni record ni Jesus Christ niya. Every time si Jesus Christ na siya na-record, kasama siya mga ito. Sa hillside. Sa hill. Saan kasi dito sa hill? In the Garden of Gethsemane, mo na nagkataon si Judah, kapano kung asa ito mga ito. Kaya si Jesus, he used to pray there. So, meaning to life. That is, after mana is, dating with God. Do you have a conversation with Jesus? You and Him alone. In fact, 1 hour is too short for that. 1 hour is too short. Kung imo nang buhaton, imo sulti siya tanan, you listen to Him, you have the Bible, you can even, shall we say, you can even know what He responded to you immediately during the time. So, mo naging emphasize nito, Pastor. Mo lang po niya yung term gamit. Pero sa una sa tanan, this is a dating with God. Muna gibutan din sa itong lesson, do you have the place? And do you have scheduled time? Dito ko sa NBC, akong place na di basurahan, kay basurino man ko sa una. So, ang place sa una, kay basusan. Sa dihan basurino ko, akong place for that is basurahan. Sa dihan dito na ko sa assistant din, akong place na is in front sa dormitory. Okay? So, sa matag iun-anin na oras, I go to that place. And talk with Jesus alone. Sa diyan, assistant pastor ko nga akong place, ibabaw atop sa anteroom. Atop sa anteroom, sa dinding. Dito lang yun. Regardless of how long, basta with that schedule, na nobody disturbs you. So that's the point. Do you have an appointment with Jesus, a regular appointment with Jesus? Should we say that? A regular appointment with Jesus in a certain place, in a certain time. Kung wala ko, di ba, of course, you can do that anywhere. Because God is, you can talk to God anywhere. But that makes it more meaningful. So, but with that, I agree with that also, Pastor. Tama ko na yung sulti. Na kay yung lifestyle mo is not to pray for life. And that is very good because pray because His Englishness at all mind is always said with Jesus, the person in Him.
Still was about mind. Still I still believe the prayers that bring the soul. Yung fight ba? Kaya yung pray without ceasing. Mau ba? Talagang kanya. So, kung katatan na isip tapi kung lugar, lalo pa rin kung lugar is kayo ng pag-update. Kung kasama na lang, yung sita na kanina na prayer life, okay na pabahin na kung pinaprayer mo na. Kaya kung ito ako, unang ginawa. Diba? So, kung nagkanunay yun na, may lugar, wala, may panahon, wala, kada ginhawa ka mo, kapahin na sa itong paglapo. Kulang Italiano ba? Dapat dahil dapat kulang Italiano.
Okay, thank you so much. Kasi sa ano, kung naging ka na lesson, the prayer is not like that. Hindi pa lang kung galing tubagon kayo. Surukan pa kayo po. Thank you. Masaya sa ito. So, ang Bible also emphasizes pray with us and sing, which is our mind is always relying again God's will. That's a point. Okay, so let us end this one. We are thankful to God for giving us this wonderful study this morning and for this whole week, and we will continue our study for the next another week. God